Normal English versus Advanced English. I am happy. I am delighted. I am angry. I am furious. It's very good. It's excellent. Hey friends, today we will learn Normal English versus Advanced English. So stay tuned and watch the video till the end. So let's start. I am busy. I am occupied. Wait. Hold on. Check it. Have a look. I am late. I am running late. I am happy. I am delighted. I am angry. I am furious. It's very good. It's excellent. Very big. Huge. Very important. Crucial. Come fast. Hurry up. Eat food. Have a meal. Talk later. Let's connect later. I don't know. I have no idea. Friends, if you're really enjoying this video, so please do subscribe the channel for more English tutorial. What's up? What's going on? Nice to meet you. Pleasure to meet you. Say it again. Could you repeat that? Do it now. Do it immediately. I'm very tired. I'm exhausted. Friends, do like this video and subscribe the channel for more English tutorial daily.